How to share your location on WhatsApp. On this video, we'll be learning about the quick and easy method to share location on WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, update your application from Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once you open the Play Store or App Store, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen and then type in WhatsApp on the search bar. If there is any updates of WhatsApp Messenger, you can simply tap on it and update app to the latest version. As you can see that we already have updated our app, so let's tap on open button and then open the application. On this section, you need to make sure that you have already logged into your account to access this page. Then tap on particular chat where you want to share your location. Tap on the message button and then next to it you will see paperclip icon. Select it. Here are multiple options. Simply you have to select location option. Make sure you have enabled the location of WhatsApp, and here you can easily send your current location or share your live location. For now, I want to share live location, so simply tap on share live location and then tap on continue button. Here you can also select the duration. If the person does not view this location for until 1 hour, then it will be easily vanished automatically. Or you can also select 15 minutes or 8 hours depending upon your face, and then tap on comment also. Then after that, tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here you have easily shared your location on WhatsApp. If you wish to stop sharing, you can tap on the stop sharing button and then select the stop as well. So that's how we easily share our location on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.